4 ways to make your home an investment, step by step. Welcome to my channel. Embarking on strategic investments in your home can prove to be a shrewd financial decision, elevating it from a mere residence to a valuable asset capable of generating income and appreciating over time. This step-by-step guide illuminates 4 key pathways to transform your home into a lucrative investment. The journey begins with selecting the right property, extends to the judicious rental of the space, incorporates intelligent maintenance practices, and culminates in thoughtful long-term planning. By navigating these steps, you'll unlock the full potential of your real estate investment, creating a dynamic financial instrument. The knowledge and tools acquired in this guide empower you to view your home not merely as a living space, but as a potent wealth-building asset. As you traverse this strategic roadmap, your home evolves into an entity that not only shelters, but also strategically contributes to your financial prosperity. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 4. Buy a property with investment potential. Selecting the right location is pivotal when aiming to maximize your home's investment potential. Opt for areas exhibiting growth prospects, characterized by elements such as reputable schools, low crime rates, and convenient access to amenities like shopping centers, public transportation, and parks. Delve into local real estate market trends to pinpoint regions undergoing appreciable increases in property values, ensuring a solid foundation for your investment strategy. When it comes to property type, align your choice with specific investment objectives. Single-family homes, multi-unit properties, including duplexes, triplexes, or apartment buildings, or even ventures into commercial real estate, should be considered based on your long-term goals and risk tolerance. Securing favorable financing is paramount for optimizing your investment. Seek out financing options that offer reasonable interest rates and terms, tailoring them to your financial capabilities and goals. A larger initial down payment can prove advantageous, not only reducing your mortgage payments, but also minimizing long-term interest costs. This prudent financial approach establishes a robust financial foundation, setting the stage for a successful and lucrative home investment venture. By meticulously addressing location, property type, and financing considerations, you can craft a strategic roadmap for transforming your home into a lucrative and enduring investment. Number 3. Rent out your property. Generating rental income is a key component of making your property a lucrative investment. When renting out your property, it's imperative to establish a rental rate that not only covers your mortgage, but also encompasses other essential costs such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Striking this balance ensures that your rental income not only sustains the property, but also yields a profit, enhancing the overall return on your investment. Property management is a critical decision in the rental journey. Determine whether you will take on the responsibility yourself or opt to enlist the services of a property management company. Self-management grants you direct control, but demands hands-on involvement in addressing tenant issues, overseeing maintenance, and managing repairs. On the other hand, hiring a property management company transfers these tasks to professionals, allowing you to enjoy a more hands-off approach while ensuring efficient property oversight. Crafting comprehensive lease agreements is fundamental to a successful rental arrangement. Clearly outline tenant responsibilities and articulate your expectations as a landlord. This includes specifics on rent payment schedules, maintenance duties, and any rules or policies governing the property. A well-drafted lease agreement not only fosters a transparent landlord-tenant relationship, but also serves as a legal safeguard, providing clarity and structure to the rental arrangement. By navigating the nuances of rental income, property management decisions, and lease agreements, you set the stage for a fruitful and harmonious landlord-tenant dynamic, enhancing the investment potential of your property. Number 2. Property maintenance and upgrades. Consistent and attentive maintenance is a linchpin in preserving the value of your property and attracting high-caliber tenants. Regular upkeep, encompassing routine inspections, repairs, and overall care, ensures that your property remains in optimal condition. This proactive approach not only safeguards your investment, but also contributes to a positive living experience for tenants, fostering tenant satisfaction and retention. Strategic upgrades play a pivotal role in enhancing both the rent potential and resale value of your property. Deliberate improvements that add value can significantly impact your property's attractiveness to potential tenants and future buyers. Consider ventures such as renovating kitchens or bathrooms to bring a modern and appealing aesthetic. Integrating energy-efficient features not only aligns with current environmental trends, but also reduces ongoing operational costs, appealing to environmentally conscious tenants. Enhancing curb appeal through landscaping or exterior upgrades creates a positive first impression, enticing prospective tenants. Investing in these strategic upgrades is an investment in the long-term viability and profitability of your property. It not only elevates the overall quality of the living space, but positions your property as a desirable and competitive asset in the rental market. By marrying regular maintenance with thoughtful upgrades, you cultivate a property that not only withstands the test of time, but thrives as a sought-after residence, ensuring a steady return on your investment. Number 1. Build equity and plan for the future. The journey of transforming your home into a lucrative investment involves several key financial strategies. Firstly, the regular influx of rent payments from your tenants serves as a dynamic tool for mortgage paydown. Over time, these payments contribute to reducing your mortgage balance, steadily increasing your equity in the property. This symbiotic relationship between rental income and mortgage paydown not only strengthens your financial standing, but also positions you for future financial opportunities. The concept of appreciation adds another layer to the wealth-building potential of your property investment. As the property's value appreciates over time, you stand to accrue substantial wealth. This appreciation opens avenues for potential profit if you choose to sell the property in the future, capitalizing on the increased market value. Leveraging tax benefits is a savvy move to optimize your property investment. Explore deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation, tapping into potential savings. Consulting with a tax professional is advisable to navigate the complexities of tax regulations and ensure you maximize the benefits available to you. Crafting a comprehensive exit strategy is a crucial component of your long-term investment plan. Contemplate whether you intend to retain the property indefinitely, sell it strategically for a substantial profit, or use it as a reliable source of retirement income. This strategic foresight allows you to align your investment with your broader financial goals, ensuring that your property becomes not just a dwelling but a cornerstone of your financial success. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.